I want us to look at this indicator by the name market structure trailing stop by Lux Algo. This indicator is actually very, very important, and I know most of you ask yourself, like, how do I lock my profits? Because we all have this problem, especially beginners. You are in profits, yes, but when the market goes against you, you lose all your money, or rather you are in profits, then you are in losses. So people ask, how do I lock my profits? There is a way you can basically lock your profits without using any indicator, but this indicator by Lux Algo is actually doing this for us. So guys, in this video we're just going to look at this indicator, what it entails, and the usage of this indicator. And I know at the end of this video you will have clues of what this market structure trailing stop by Lux Algo is. So guys, we're just going to define what is trailing stop, because I know we have beginners in the channel and they do wonder what is a trailing stop. So whenever you will hear a trailing stop in forex trading and also in crypto, or rather when you're trading stocks, trailing stop loss is a type of stop loss order that automatically adjusts its stop price as the market moves in a favorable direction. So this allows traders to lock in profits and protect their investments from market reversal without manually adjusting their stop loss. Okay, so you can see how important a trailing stop is. It's actually a type of a stop loss order. This will help you avoid losing your money. You always close your orders in profits. That's what it can basically tell you. So guys, I know most of you are wondering how to add the indicator on their chart. So just going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type market structure trailing stop. So just going to click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it's actually going to appear on your chart. So guys, immediately you have inserted your indicator like this, you basically get lost because you cannot really understand the criteria this indicator is actually using so that we can see all this on charts. So just going to understand more about the indicator and the usage. On my next video, I will do a video showing you how you can use this indicator correctly on your chart. So guys, let's understand about market structure trailing stop by Lux Algo. So this script returns trailing stops on the occurrence of market structure, change of character, break of structure, labeling. So when this appears, that's when you will see this script returning the trailing stop on the occurrence of the market structure. As I said before, trailing stops are adjusted based on trailing maximums or minimums, with the option for users to be able to control how quickly a trailing stop can converge towards price. That's how you can easily understand about this indicator. So real quick, I really want us to really look at the usage of the indicator. And the usage number one, you're supposed to understand that a trailing stop allows users to protect them against downside risk while also guaranteeing a potential profit in case the market goes in the expected direction of the market. So you're supposed to understand that this indicator allows users to protect them from the downside risk. Okay, if you look closely on the indicator, it also shows you when the price is actually going against the trend, then this is actually highlighted with an orange color. So whenever you will see an orange color in this indicator, like for instance this level over here, it indicates that price is actually going against the trend. Let's go to usage number two. Users making use of market structure as a primary entry condition can benefit from having trailing stops to either provide an additional exit condition or to provide points of support and resistance with the price. So whoever uses market structure, it can be actually an added advantage to benefit from, because you see these trailing stops is actually based on market structure to provide an additional exit condition or to provide points of support and resistance, because market structure shows you how the market is actually moving. It shows you whether the market is on uptrend, downtrend, or rather the market is really ranging. So understanding market structure, this indicator can be very, very beneficial. Okay, so let's go to usage number three. Usage number three, trailing stops can avoid being hit more frequently by using a lower increment factor percent setting. So when you go directly on settings and you can see the increment factor over here, it's very, very, very important, simply because it determines how you can avoid being hit. So when you use a lower increment factor, this will help you to avoid also being hit. So that's what you're really supposed to understand about this great indicator, rather to understand about this increment factor. You can use 100. I do use 100 because it's actually a default settings and it works perfectly well. So when it comes to reset the stop, ons. You can see right here, you can actually consider break of structure, or rather you can consider all. But for now, let's use the change of character so that you can really understand more about this indicator. So that's what you're supposed also to understand about the settings. So as I said before, also under settings, you can actually reset the trailing stop when any market structure is detected, or only change of character. You understand me? So allowing trailing stops to reset on the detection of any market structure allows the indicator to return trailing stops closer to the price. So when you reset top on change of character to be actually all, so this will actually allow the indicator to return trailing stop closer to the price. So change of character is actually highlighted in dashed line, while break of structure labels highlighted with dotted lines. So dashed line is what you can see, is what we call the change of character. You can basically see it very, very clearly, but the dashed line, this is what we call break of structure. But remember as well, we have false break of structure. So guys, I really wanted you to understand more about the usage of this indicator and also understanding about the indicator. Then in my next video, I will basically do a video of how you can use this indicator to execute trades, and also for it to guide you so that you can trail your trades and basically lock your profits. Always close your orders in profits when the market is actually favoring you in the direction you took the market from. So that's the importance of this market structure trailing stop by Lux Algo. It's a very, very great indicator. Make use of it. That's why I have started with part 1 of this indicator, understanding the usage and understanding more about the indicator. So I know traders who never knew what trailing stop is, they now have an idea, and also understanding about this indicator, knowing that is actually returning the trailing stops on the occurrence of market structure, change of character, and break of structure labeling. That's when you will see it plotting all this. It's better you keep that in mind. Okay, so guys, see you in part 2 of this video, showing you how to use this indicator, executing trades using any strategy, and how you can follow it to really execute trades. So guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget also to like this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Turn on your notification bar, because honestly you don't really have to miss part 2 of this video. So guys, what do I say? Bye bye. See you in the next video.